Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Nature and occurrence. ER is a membranous network enclosing a fluid-filled lumen which fills up the intracellular cavity. ER is of two types. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, with ribosomes attached to its surface for synthesizing proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER, which is without ribosomes and is meant for secreting lipids. Functions. Endoplasmic reticulum forms supporting skeletal framework of the cell. ER provides a pathway for the distribution of nuclear material from one cell to another. Certain enzymes present in smooth ER synthesize fats, steroids, and cholesterol. Rough ER is concerned with the transport of proteins, which are synthesized by ribosomes on their surface.